Hey everyone, and welcome to another version of the how-to series of making money online. If you followed me so far, you'll know that to date we've covered mindset, goals, and destination. Today I want to talk about something that is just very fundamental, but a lot of people jumping into the online space do not understand or implement this very basic component. And if you don't, it's going to lead to a lot of confusion for individuals, and it's going to lead to a lot of frustration because you're not going to be able to target the people that you actually need to target to achieve sales. And this this process is that of dialing in and understanding who you are actually going to serve. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, you have to, as part of your destination, you have to focus in and hone in on a specific component that you are going to work towards to help other people solve their problems. Now, to take that a little bit further, the whole crux of in the affiliate space is that you're solving people's problems. That's why they are going to engage with you and possibly go further into a purchase and a sale, because what you have to offer actually solves their current problem and enables them to transition from their point A to a new point B, which is where they want to be. So a lot of people just throw out their messages randomly, and this is exactly the same as just getting a bowl of spaghetti, chucking it against the wall, and hoping that some of the damn strands stick to the wall. This is complete nonsense, and if people are telling you to do this, you need to run a mile from them straight away, because no sane person in marketing should be teaching that practice. It's not a game of numbers. If you hone in and understand who you're going to serve, what problem you are going to solve, you can then get super specific about who you're going to reach out to, either through content or email campaigns, whatever it is. You're going to start talking to the correct people who have that problem and are possibly looking for a solution. They may not be aware they even have the problem, but you are targeting and honing in on the people that matter for that particular issue. I hope that makes sense. Tomorrow we're going to get deeper into the avatar itself. Catch you on the next one. Follow me for more.